Showing. Where's Wayne and Garth when you need him? Sorry, I couldn't resist. 1977 AMC Pacer. 3-door hatchback. Believed to be original mile car. 41,607 showing on the odometer. 6V paint code. None other than sunshine yellow. Automatic transmission. Has a 256 cubic inch 6-cylinder underneath the hood. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Pacer grille. Quite the vehicles. It came out in 1975, I believe it was. Went on until about 1980. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. Not one you see every day here at UniqueClassicCars.com, and that's where you can check out the still pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the styled rose wheels. White wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of corrosion around the wheel wells, lower rockers. Sorry about the noise in the background. Detail department on the other side of the building. Getting some cars ready for us to do videos and picture up that will be coming available to purchase. Take a look at the interior, original interior. This would be the basketry print fabric. This car came new with the all-season AC package. Power steering, power brakes also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the chrome and the bright work in the rear of the car. Of course, quite the sight lines out of this car with the wraparound glass, low belt line, and once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember that part in the video if you watched these before where I say, hey, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because you never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Well, I rest my case. Again, 1977 AMC Pacer. This thing would just be fun. I don't care. You get in the classic car hobby, turn some heads, get some looks, start up some conversations, and you don't break the bank. And you can probably park by yourself without a lot of Pacers around, unless you're going to a specific Pacer car show. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Now, I do regret a little bit that the AM/FM cassette radio doesn't work, because I would find a cassette of Queen and play Bohemian Rhapsody in this car if it worked. It does not. I'm going to leave that up to the next owner to take care of if they'd like to put in their own stereo system. So there you go. There's that basketry weave fabric. Yes, that is the original interior. And again, it's believed to be original miles. Really not much for rips, tears, holes. A little bit of wear here and there. Odometer reads 41,607. I can't confirm or deny that due to the fact that once a car is a certain age, the miles are not recorded on the title. It ends up marked exempt due to the age of the car. Take a look at the top of the dash. All right, let's fire this up. Again, 256 cubic inch, 6-cylinder. Automatic transmission. Headliner looks good. How nicely that door closes. And again, take a look around the wheel wells, lower rockers. Just, you don't see a bunch of corrosion. You gotta admit, it's kind of cool. Come on. Let me go ahead and pause this. I want to open this hood and let you check out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. I think this thing's going to drive off pretty nice. We'll find out when Jason takes it for a drive. You stick around. You can go for a virtual ride in an AMC Pacer. When's the last time you said you did that? Forward tilting hood. You weren't ready for that, were you? All right, new master cylinder. There it is. By the way, it's warmed up. It was on high idle earlier because it was cold when I started. That was not a warm start. Battery disconnect in between drives or when it's in storage. Thing runs pretty smooth, doesn't it? I'm going to slip around to the back just so you can hear it on the low idle. There's what you expect to hear. Listen to it purr. Like a sewing machine. All right, as you can see, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor still intact. Tech noted it did not blow cold. Compressor didn't kick on and off. May need a little TLC. 256 cubic inch inline six. 1977 AMC Pacer 3-door hatchback. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1977 AMC Pacer, a car we don't get to see very often, and this one in excellent paint condition, and interior is also very nice. Smooth running car, feels like a low mile machine, and automatic on the column, which makes it easy for anyone to drive. Very interesting styling on the bucket seats with a woven fabric and a what might be described as a native kind of design. Looking very 1977. Wood grain in the dash. The blower motor works on this AMC. I do have a fasten seatbelt light lit on the dash, and I am wearing my seatbelt. I never thought I'd be passing a car like that in a Pacer, but I am. This car is actually pretty fun to drive. You never see them. Most of those rear window glass pieces are intact perfectly. There's one nick in the driver's side windshield up at the top. Looks like a little crack. Brakes working very well. Responsive in its steering and handling. Corners nicely. A little bit of leaning, which you'd expect in 77. Smooth acceleration, smooth idling and running car. Really kind of a time capsule, I might say. You can find the pictures of the engine underneath of this car and everywhere around it close up at UniqueClassicCars.com.